Thokozani guys, thokozani. Gogo Skhotheni lona insizwa kaDlamini /Shange. Mamela, I wanna tell you ukuthi why ngithi uyalalela aphinde aphendule. So we have this tendency ukuthi mawukhuleka ufuna izinto zenzeke ngendlela yakho, ngamanye amagama ufuna umdali aphendule ngendlela le wena ozobuthandaze ngayo, noma umuphahlile ufuna amadlozi ayenze ngalendlela. Ukhumbula into ukuthi zibhekise into ngakuwe, ukuthi umntana wakho makaqela into uqale uyadigest akuqala ukuthi lento engizomenzela yona, ngoba usuka aqela njengomntwana ukuthi mhlambe ucela into engaphezulu kwamandla akho, not really ukuthi ngaphezulu kwamandla akho, kodwa uqela into enkulu. Usuke ubheka aqala ukuthi lento uma ngamenzela yona izoba nemphumelela enjani kusasa. Manje ngisho naye umdali wezulu nomhlaba umqela into, usuka abheka ukuthi lento le omcela yona anyeke ibuye futhi ishaye wena na ikulimaze egcineni, ngoba ngesinye isikhathi sinokuqela izinto singayazi imiphumelela yakhona yena, kanti ubonela ngale ukuthi lento le wena oyiqelayo ingahamba bese ikushaye ikulimaze egcineni. Bese sesikhuluma ngokuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi kunentando yakho empilweni, kunentando yaNkulunkulu, bese kunentando yabadala. Kushuthi ngamanye amagama musu kuphila impilo ngathi uphila wedwa, unezinto ezintathu emele uziphilele. Mele uziphilele wena, mele uphilele usomandla, mele uphinde uphilele abakini. Ngamanye amagama mawenza izinto zithathe uzifake kule position ukuthi I'm not the only one doing things for myself, I'm not the only one doing things for my life, I'm doing things because of kunamadlozi, kunoNkulunkulu, kunami, I'm in the middle. So uma ngibheka emaqeleni mele ngazi ukuthi nginamasotsha ami engizothi uma ngiqela into bese bayayenza. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying or you don't understand, but basically in simple terms what I'm saying ukuthi you are not alone. So stop this thing yokuthi mina mangithandaza kuvedana kube worse. Yebo kube worse ngoba kusese nomlayezo osahamba omele ufinyelele kumnikazi, bese mawufika kumnikazi mele aqale abone ukuthi lento iqelayo izohamba bese ihlale kanjani. So do not give up. The time la kunzima khona yizo lesikhathi la kumele uqhubeke lokhu ushaya ngedolo bakhombuza ukuthi ngicela into kanje kunaloko abazokunika kona ongaqelanga. Kunjalo, every time when you ask something from God or your ancestors, there is something that they're gonna give you similar to what you ask for, or bangakunike lutho at all. Why? Because they know what they have prepared for you. You understand? In the table of your enemies, there must be a lot of food for them to eat so that they can bangakhona ukukhuluma the way badle ngakhona. Ukwabona uma uye emgidini bafike bakufuqa utshwala baba ali ukwabona ukuthi uqakana kanjani, usitshela ukuthi uzophuza. Nasezitheni zakho akube njalo, abaqakane bodwa kube nento abangazi ukuthi bazogcine bakhulume bathini. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi amadlozi noNkulunkulu abaqhubeke bakubusise ukuze nathi singazi ukuthi singakhuluma sithini ngawe, sifinyelele la sizokhona khona ukuthi sikhulume size sisuthe indaba zakho size sesingasazi ukuthi sithini. So stop giving up, stop giving up. Bazokuphendula, hayi ukuthi anyeke bakuphendule futhi ungathola ukuthi bakuphendulile, kepha bakuphendule ngento ongayiqelanga ngoba le wena oyiqelile izokushaya egcineni. How many times have you asked them to protect your relationship, but that relationship yathatha yakufaka ngaphansi kwe-truck? Wathi masohethekile wangabuyi kubo wabatshela ukuthi lo muntu engimqela ukuthi nimgcine empilweni yami useyangilimaza manje. So uyaphuma uyocela omunye futhi wathandana nomuntu ucela amadlozi akuvikele. Inkinga yethu sicela ukuthi basivikele ngoba sithanda labantu, kanti kunama behaviors esiwabonayo esingabacela ukuthi bachange that behavior, or you start first by working on that person's behavior. Nobabili build each other, then you can ask your ancestors to assist you ukuthi asingabuyeli back to what we used to. So in things okutshela yona currently ukuthi be careful of what you ask for, and if you do not receive it ungayithathi ngokuthi you are not receiving it because idlozi alikuzwa, or you are not receiving it because uNkulunkulu akakuzwa. Take it because there is something that they are planning that is bigger than what you asked for, or what you asked for can be a curse upon your life. Sometimes we are our own enemies and we keep on telling God how to destroy our enemies. Can't we destroy ourselves because we don't love ourselves? Yes, kunomuntu ozothi mina ngiyazithanda angeke ngeze ngizonde. Your choice, your decisions of life ezizo predict the love that you have for yourself. Now, I was just trying to elaborate. Uyalalela Aphendule. Reading your comments, I can see that you guys have lost hope. Nobody will bring the hope back if you don't want it to be back. You can listen to Gogo Skhotheni. I've shared so many videos, so many, but it will never be enough if you don't want it to be enough. Like whatever that I do or whatever that I'm sent to do, it will be enough only if you want it to be enough to you. We have so many pastors, so many sangomas, so many prophets, so many preachers, everything, you can name it. The change is in you. What you listen to, it's up to you. It's like being in a relationship and you get to be heartbroken. We can say whatever we want as your friend, but if you're not ready to let go, you won't let go. Let me end it here.